First step, getting ready for the bud bod wrapper, which is a banana leaf. Second step, cut the banana leaf into the nice size for bud bod wrapper. Then clean the banana leaf with clean clothes.
Hello guys, for today's video we're gonna make budbud tik-tik. Special budbud tik-tik because we put raisin on it. It's supposed to be grated coconut but we don't have coconut because of the kanang kuan Typhoon Odette. We lost our coconut, all coconut. So we use raisin for the substitute of the coconut. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna show you how to make budbud tik-tik. Special budbud tik-tik. So this is it, pancit guys. So in that part I show the ingredients of the budbud tik-tik. So we have tik-tik, it made from the corn, then the milk, margarine, raisin, and coconut milk also. And there is sugar also, I forgot to show you, but we put sugar on it. Then after that we mix all it together, all ingredients. And by the way guys, we did that with my sister. So yeah, that her hand mix it well, then I just assisting her to put the coconut milk. So we mix it well, then we're gonna wrap it with the use of the banana leaf. And stay watching guys. Well, take note guys, we are not professional doing these things, but we did it well, we did it good. Yeah, because I think it is still delicious because all budbud is gone after. So at this point we already start wrapping the budbud tik-tik. So so let's see if I know how to wrap it. But well, I do it before, but not that really sticky because I don't like what to call a dry one. That's why I asked my sister to make it a little bit so watery, because the more watery it's more delicious. So yeah, here we go guys. So later on you're gonna see me wrapping the budbud tik-tik. So guys, it's time to shine. So I try to wrap the budbud tik-tik, but I think I I did well. That's my judgment for myself. I don't know you guys if you say it the same, but for me I did well. Yeah, I just showing myself if how I do it, but I think I did it good.
Labo pag to apoy naghuwat itong na maluto day. Utik. Utik. Tik. Nagkuan uterus.
Nade beauty na.
Uterus.
Rest and peace na rin na.
Lihatay, mayo pa. Arbilya. Onya.
So this is the outcome, guys, after we wrap up.
Maday na tugay.
Yeah, I tie it
Assistant.
by pair so that when we cook it, it will not destroy. That's the purpose on it.
Otek! Dire tabang, dire ba? Aday kamote oh! Dende, mabiyon dito.
Naghumagputos, guys. Iakob ni nato, guys. Kabakob din nato kaya tong banganon. Kay kuman ibutang sa kaldero kay dong abon.
From this to this.
Cook it for about 20 minutes.
Ay, apawon. Ang aprit ay maglata ah. Ayo, manaiming ni siya oy.
Eating time. Yummy.
Dai. Og na pa may tik-tik tay inala ni si Archibald kay mayo mo kuan.
Eating time. Yummy.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye-bye.